Here's how I created this perfectly looped video using an Insta360 camera. This technique is going to work with just about any shot recorded on a 360 camera. The basic concept here is that I'm creating a boomerang style video where the video is going to play forward and then play again in reverse. And the beginning and the end of the video line up because it literally is the same clip. But we can add camera moves that are different between those two clips because it's a 360 video. Open up the video clip in the Insta360 Studio app. Trim down the video to just the section that you want to use. Click the plus button to create a keyframe at the beginning and adjust the field of view however you want, and do the same thing at the end of the video as well. Add as many keyframes in the middle to create some dynamic camera moves and export this video. After that's been exported, I'm going to come back to the timeline, and now I can readjust all of the keyframes in the middle. Just make sure that you leave the keyframe at the very beginning and the keyframe at the end the same, and export this clip. I'm going to be using Final Cut Pro for this next step, but any other video editor is going to work for this. Just import both of your clips, select one of them, either one's fine, and set it to play in reverse. And that's it. You can export this and you'll have a perfectly looped video. If you really want this to seem like an infinite loop, finding a piece of music that also loops, or at least can be trimmed down to where you can't tell when it starts over, is a great way to make it feel like it just continues on forever. You can also copy and paste these clips in the timeline if you want to make the video match up with some longer music. Another fun thing to do is go back into the Insta360 Studio app and create more videos with different camera moves in every single one. And theoretically, you could have this loop as many times as you want, and you'd see different things in the scene every time it loops. If you guys use this technique in one of your videos, feel free to tag me on Instagram or TikTok. I always love seeing what you guys make. Links for those in the description below if you want to follow me on one of those platforms. Go check out some of my other videos right over here, and I'll see you in the next one.